COVID-19 pandemic continues to sweep across the country. Students, families, and teachers are navigating the new normal of going back to school. ABS has created policies for safe schooling during the COVID-19 pandemic that foster the overall health of the students of the school. Not only students, the educators, staff, and the administration are all together for the reopening of the school. Since the beginning of this pandemic, new information has emerged to guide safety in every school. Opening schools generally does not significantly increase community transmission. Families are relying on us to provide childcare, a safe, stimulating space for children to learn, opportunities for socialization, and access to school-based mental, physical, and nutritional health service. Physical distancing, sometimes referred to as social distancing, is simply the act of keeping people separated with the goal of limiting spread of contagion between individuals. It is fundamental to lowering the risk of spread of the COVID-19 virus, as the primary mode of transmission is through respiratory droplets by persons in close proximity. Regardless of distance between students, cloth face coverings should be worn at all times, in addition to following other public health guidelines. Cleaning and disinfection process in both the buildings of ABS. we are really very happy to learn that all the students who joined the school after its reopening were really very eager to do their normal academic classes. They wanted to go back to the normal, yet they wanted to be considerate of their health as well as of others. A lot of students depend on their teachers to learn in front of their teachers instead of learning in their online classes. And we are really very happy to get back our students after such a long time.
Start our classroom learning. The online learning has become very monotonous, and classroom experience is a different feeling, which I am very excited and looking forward to.
It's really exciting to experience this kind of situation after such a long time. School has always been our best memory, and we always like to study in school only. So obviously in online classes we were feeling very bored. So after such a long time, as we have come to our school, we will now see a real face of a new kind of studying which we have already missed a year. So
What about the new normal?
So the new normal, okay, it's a kind of disgusting thing for us to wear masks and gloves and caps and study.
But some learning from where we actually feel the teacher.
I'm feeling very happy after 11 months I have come to school. It is a very great opportunity. When I came to school earlier, it felt like a daily routine. But now it is something new. I don't know why. But it is a very nice feeling.
Okay, what about the new settings of the school? Everything has changed. Everything has become into a new normal kind of thing, right?
Yes.
Something very different than the usual days you came in the school. So what about this?
There was a great rush at the staircase, but now everything is very systematic. There is no rush more for the circles which were drawn to maintain social distancing was a great idea, and I didn't even thought that school can make so much efforts to keep us safe.
How you feeling? First day of the school.
Nice, but no one is there. Like, I missed my school very much.
What about you?
I'm feeling very good as it is my first day of the school as I'm taking new admission in class.
After almost 1 year, I have entered this school, and really I'm feeling very good that I can see this school for the first time. I'm a new student of this school, and I always wish to come to this school as a student, and today I think my wish is fulfilled.
They're my friends, I love them, I want to play with them, and many other things I want to do with them. But right now, as I love them, I don't want them to fall sick. So as a result, I want to maintain a physical distance with them, but not mental distance with them. I want to be with them and over phone and many other things.
So mentally you are connected, physically you are distant,
Yeah.
right? Feeling today?
I'm feeling very good. I was just waiting for this day.
You were waiting for this day. So what was your feeling when you entered the school gate after a long time?
Am I entering to my home school with no crowd at all? I'm entering to my school where I used to fight with my friends for several reasons, where the reasons will fall short. And now in the same school, circles are made and we have to sit there, we have to stand there. So much precautions are there. So with these precautions, let's come to school now. It's time to be back and feeling good, really good.
After a long wait and a stressful year, our academic activities were scattered and we were all stressed to how to impart good education to our students. This worry has been reduced with the government granting permission to start regular classes in the schools for the students of class 9, 10, 11 and 12. It is a matter of great relief that classroom teaching process has started with some modifications. Full student participation will start soon, and the student community who were very much in doldrums about their education will start benefiting from the regular classroom teaching in the schools. My best wishes to everyone for returning back to normalcy, although a bit slowly. Thanks to all.
Welcome back to school. After a long term of absence, you have come back to school, and we are also fully ready and equipped to greet you from the core of our hearts. Yes, some of the girls were telling me, Madam, we are very uncomfortable with the mask. I reminded them of our great lady Kalpana Chawla, who spent her whole life in a spacesuit. So we have to take inspiration from great ladies like Kalpana Chawla and proceed. And however difficult it is, we have to fight back Corona and continue our daily life. Welcome back. Thank you, parents, for supporting us and sending your child.
2020 was really a crazy year, and we all did heave a sigh of relief at the advent of 2021, isn't it? Last, nobody can substitute classroom teaching, isn't it? So we at Agrasen Balika Shiksha Sadan, we are doing everything in our power and as per government instructions and rules to ensure that your transition that is safe, and we are also doing our best to put in place by the statutes of the government. For whom? For you.
Hello students, we are going to meet you after a very long time. We all welcome you. Please do come, be safe, be healthy. Thank you.
I want to welcome all of you and your families. I am really very excited to see all of your faces again. I insist you all learn new things, and of course don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy.
नमस्कार। बजी है आज फिर घंटी, कलरव से गूंजा है विद्यालय का प्रांगण, सज गई हैं कक्षाएं, छात्राओं का हुआ है आज आगमन, माँ सरस्वती का कर बंदन, आइए पढ़े और पढ़ाएं।
Let the new school year begin. Team ABSS is ready to welcome you all and to protect you.
Welcome back, children.